8 demands peacefully and government arrest him? For what? Whole world, all Hindus, all minority rights activists, I believe they annoyed with this nonsense. So from this podium, I'm asking the government of Bangladesh, please release these priests of Hindus and sit down with them and talk peacefully to solve this problem. Otherwise, you have to pay the price. We will go to the Manhattan tomorrow with millions of people, probably thousand people, and you will heard the voice. Thank you again, Mr. Dr. Nath. You are my good friend. Even though you are so younger than me, I cannot even touch your head. Thank you so much. Thank you.